and 4x plus 1 is the v. Alright, so in this case dy dx, we copy v, the denominator, then we put square bracket, we differentiate the numerator, which is 2x minus 3. So when we differentiate 2x, the answer is 2, but the 3 doesn't have x, we just drop the 3. Okay, then minus, copy the numerator, which is 2x minus 3, then bracket, differentiate the denominator. So when we differentiate 4x, the answer is 4. So from here we simplify. 2 times 4x will give us 8x, 2 times 1 equals 2, minus, here we have 4 times 2 equals 8x, 4 times 3 equals negative 12. Alright, now we expand the bracket. So we have 8x plus 2, we copy again. Negative times 8x will give us negative 8x. Negative times negative 12 will give us positive 12. So from here, the numerator is 8x minus 8x, you can cancel. Then we have 2 plus 12 will give us 14. And then the bracket at the bottom, 4x plus 1 square, we just copy it only, that's all. Okay? Let's look at the next rule called the chain rule. So the chain rule can actually apply to questions which also uses the product rule just now. Okay? Now let's look at an example here. When y is equals to function of u and u equals to function of g, then dy over dx we can say equals to dy over du times du over dx. Now how to use this formula? Let's look at example 15. So in this case, when y is equals to 1 plus x to the power 4, so the first thing is, let's assume that this 1 plus x is replaced by u. Alright, so let u equals to 1 plus x. So from here, first step is to find du compared with x. So du over dx, we cannot differentiate a constant because constant will give us 0, and when we differentiate 1x, the answer is 1. Okay, then next, once we have substitute this bracket with u, then we will have y equals to u to the power 4, right? Here in this step, y equals to u to the power 4. So from here we find dy over du. So we differentiate u to the power 4. So remember, the power we have to take out first. We have 4u, and then power minus 1, we will get 3. Okay, so from here, in order to find dy dx, then dy dx, the formula is dy over du times du over dx. Now dy over du, we have found the answer as 4u to the power 3. So we substitute into here, and then du over dx we have found as equals to 1. So we substitute 1 here. Then next step, what do? We replace u with what? With 1 plus x. So we substitute the u with 1 plus x. Okay, so that's the answer. Now let's look at example 16. When we are given y equals to 3 plus x to the power 3 bracket to the power 4, we are asked to find dy dx. So first step is we take u to represent the bracket, which is 3 plus x to the power 3. So from here, du compare with x, so you just look at x. This one don't have x, it is a constant. Actually the answer is 0. Okay, so differentiate x to the power 3. 3 we have to take out, we will get 3x. Then 3 minus 1 will give us 2. Okay, next step, since we have already said u replace 3 plus x to the power 3, which is here, then we can say y is equals to u to the power 4, like in this case. Then from here, dy over du is equals to 4, take out the 4 here, and then u, the power, we change to 3 because we have to minus 1, the power. Okay, hence to find dy dx, we use the formula dy over du times du over dx. Now substitute dy du with 4u to the power 3 here, and du dx du dx we have found as 3x squared, so you substitute here. So from here, 4 times 3 will give us 12. Alright, and then this u substitute with 3 plus x to the power of 3 afterwards. Okay, so first is 4 times 3x squared will give us 12x squared, remainder u to the power of 3. So u we substitute with 3 plus x to the power of 3 here again. Alright, bracket to the power of 3. Alright, so that will be the answer.